Hello guys, today I will be I do play normal lobbies, but today will be different. I will be playing competitive. So yeah, I want to double check in the obstacle course because I remember I completed it twice and the second time it resetted it and I had to click it again. So I'm gonna go double check. I think every update it resets. Sadly. I'm not gonna cheat because I just went on, so I'm gonna go back. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Option 2. Okay, wish me good luck. Hi. Hi. Oh, he's an OG player, kind of. He's not an OG player, but he's a kind of mid OG player. Cause he's.
Don't set me on fire, guys. Please, I'm just a food. Bro, I'm not a food. I'm a cat, guys. Please.
Hello, everybody. It's your fellow William.
Okay. I see I'm a cat. Meow.
Claw.
I'm not playing this game no more.
I am better at pit. I should stick to my old. Though.
Please, bro, don't set me on fire. Don't set me on fire. Set me on fire.
Someone fire. Bro, get out.
It's the blow torch blowout day, guys.
Let's play minigame. Oh, my arm got in the way. My left arm. So fishing was like, what? Get away, Mr. Buddy. Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away!
Oh no, that's worse! And then I'm on fire! Oh, set me on fire! No. So get over. Oh wait, no. You're a nigger.
Yes! First time. First time. Fast. Crap.
Just because you said that, I'm gonna tag you a second time. You too bad, kid.
Fuck all you want to set me on fire. Oh!
Oh, you're so good at pinch climbing.
I hate all you guys. I'm leaving.
Good, leave, kid. Oh my god, I cannot.
Where is Daniel? He's not leaving. Oh. Yeah, I just get what you got.
Shoot!
Everybody get out their shotguns.
Okay.
Crap. Don't chase me. Get away, get away! Oh.
Tickle you.
I'm gonna tickle you. No, my scaling is horrible today. Frick. Come on, bro. Literally, the whole entire lobby's after purple.
Who tried to set me on fire? You should have killed him.
Smoke tree time.
Don't try and purple.
My favorite route.
If you don't set me on fire.
I'm not going fast right now
No, set
because.
him on fire. Who has him? Oh God, no. Set him on fire. Set Brad on fire.
Come on, get away, bro. Get away from me. Get away.
Why do y'all hate me so much?
Crap, bro. Get away. Get away.
They say can always land on their legs. What if they don't have legs? That's our experiment. Guys, we need to see if this diseased cat will die if we drop him from the top of the map.
No!
I'll be your servant. I'll do anything. Just die.
Oh. Wait. Go play right away. Come on. Get him back away from me. Back away.
Come here, bitch. Oh God. This kid.
Damn, I can't do crap, bro. Get away.
Oh God. Thank you for killing the furry.
Damn it.
You dumb.
GG's. GG. Oh,
Imagine.
God. God, bro. Your arms are so long.
Whoever has the furry, just kill him, please. I have the furry. You messed up.
There's.
I'm leaving.
Oh my God. Now there's 3 of us.
Furry. Oh, not you. I'm sorry. I thought.
Wrong one. Wait, that's the right one. Wait, I tagged you.
With a blue. Why is everybody white with a blue fedora? Literally everybody.
Damn.
Confuse everyone.
I ran into you.
You're
Last round.
competitive. I know how to play. Like, how do I play
I'm
this?
not doing that bad. This is lobby.
Oh, so you see,
Um,
find that person.
I may get my revenge.
Oh, my bad.
I will avenge me.
Blue towards blue outside. Leave.
I can't tell.
Okay, there are no
I don't
furries
know.
on the server anymore. Thank God. No.
What?
Okay,
Every time. Thank you for watching this video.
when a person
So just like, please,
slaps them or
yeah,
red.
that's it.
Wait, I can't tag you.
Bye.
Oh, I can slowly. No!
This kid screaming. I feel bad for his lungs.